Hello there and welcome to Cubed Agency's audio blog. Each week we cover tips and tricks business owners and marketing managers should be using to successfully advertise their business. This week's blog is about tips to increase web traffic by using backlinks. So let's get right into it. 5 tips to increase web traffic by using backlinks. If you have just created a website or already have a site set up and are wondering how to get more people to visit, you need to know more about backlinks. The following information will bring you up to speed on why backlinks are one of the more popular solutions for increasing organic traffic and building credibility. The more organic links you have, the higher your ranking will be in organic search results. This form of gaining attention is nothing new. In fact, backlinking formed the basis for Google's original algorithm, PageRank. While Google has changed its algorithm thousands of times since then, backlinks still remain a major ranking indicator for rating a website's popularity. The key to backlink success. Do you want to use backlinks successfully? Then you have to remember this. Not all backlinks are created the same. Some are lower quality, while others will immediately boost your rankings. If you want a higher rank in the search engine results page, or SERP, you need to attract quality links. Also, consider this. One single quality backlink gives you more leverage than 1,000 lower quality links. So it's not the quantity of links you attract, it's the quality of links that your site receives. Okay, so what do the quality links have in common? Here are some of the traits of quality backlinks and the features they have in common. Number 1, domain authority. You want your backlinks coming from sites such as Harvard versus someone's personal blog. The purpose of this method has to do with domain authority. If a backlink comes from a higher authority site, it will pass on that authority to yours. Once you get that kind of link, you will notice a quick jump in your search engine organic traffic. Number 2, your target keyword is part of your link's anchor text. To make sure your site gets noticed, you want to add a keyword in your site's anchor text or the featured text of the link. Just don't go crazy using this technique because Google will notice and not like it. Therefore, use this approach judiciously. Number 3, your link connects to a site with a similar theme. To ensure you are attracting the right backlinks, you also need to make sure you attract sites from platforms whose subjects are associated with yours. For example, if you have a fitness site, Google will place more weight on backlinking that originates from sites that are related to fitness as well. Number 4, the link is a do follow type link. Google will ignore links that have a no follow tag, a tag on the back end of your website that tells search engines to ignore the relevance of a specific link. Usually no-follow links are from ads, press releases, or blog comments. Number 5, most of the links come from different related sites. Your backlinks are also more valuable if they come from several related sites instead of one authoritative site, time after time. Therefore, quality links must come from credible and dependable sites, include a do-follow tag, and contain the occasional keyword. It will be beneficial if most of them come from sites that relate to your site's traffic. So much better. Keep populating your site with content. To get these links, you can write guest posts, place comments on certain sites, and continuously create website content of high quality. Quality backlinking can only be realized when you add valuable content and make sure that your own anchor links connect to higher quality, more authoritative sites. This week's blog was written by Matt Cassidy, our social media content writer, on May 7th, 2020. We post new blogs every Thursday, so don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to this newsletter by hitting that big pink subscribe button to get the latest news, blogs, videos, and updates to help your business grow. I'm 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗏, your narrator for Cubed Agency's audio blogs. Catch us next Thursday, and don't forget, create content with purpose.